Okay, I'm not going to show the whole glue up process in video because it's just, there's a lot of stuff going on, but I did want to explain what I was doing. We have 2 rails, 2 stiles with the groove cut in by the table saw, and that's important to remember here in a second. They are half lapped in on the joints, so they go in like that. Like this. And those are really tight half lap joints, so I know once I get it all put together it's actually going to be pretty square. Because I did the groove with the table saw, the cut on the inside of this goes something like this because of the curve of the table saw. So I have to actually cut little triangles to start out that side of the cut, and I wanted a 2-inch space anyway, so that kind of worked out perfect by accident, of course. So I cut out little triangles. I'll glue those in on all 4 corners. Then I can get to the slats, which are 2 1/4 inch thick, I think, 2 1/8 inch thick, I don't remember. And they go in the grooves, and they are spaced out with these little 1-inch spacers, and they go in between the slats inside the grooves. So once it's all glued up, it looks something like this, and you don't see the groove in between the slats, and the slats are in there nice and tight, and they're not going anywhere. And this is what a final project or final panel is going to look like, minus the roundovers, because I forgot to do it on this one. So I'm getting ready to glue this one up. I'm going to do that to 3 more panels. now you understand what I'm doing. All right, I got all 4 panels done. 2 things that's holding me up. I was waiting on a HVLP to paint them. So for now, I just more or less got a sanding sealer, a very, very light coat of polyurethane on there. But I actually kind of like the look, so I might just put another coat on it and be done with it. So I don't know. I might paint them white and I might not. So at this point, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see 4 of these, and they are going to be put together with hinges. And hopefully when I get put together, you know, I'll have 4 of these set up similar to this, and it'll keep the dog out of the area I want him to stay out of, because he's a little bastard. So I'm going to put these hinges on, get this installed, see what it looks like, and decide if I'm going to paint it from there or put another coat of poly on here. Alright, so that's the project. That's as far as I'm going to take it as far as this video goes. I might go back and put white paint on it, or maybe even black paint. Depends on what the wife says. I kind of like the way it looks right now, so I may not even do anything to it. I'm using this just to keep a small dog out of my computer area, because he likes to pee in that area for some reason, and it's driving me up the wall. I put a lot of money into my computer and my little office corner right there, and I want the dog out of there. So that's why I'm doing it. I would imagine you could use this for, you know, babies or dogs, you know, whatever. But that's what I'm using it for. I think it's going to work out fine. It's easy to put away. It's easy to take out. And I only need to do that when I'm not at home. Other than that, it'll probably be folded up and put away. So that's how I did it, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.